Welcome to part 4 of a complete series that shows how to pronounce in Haitian Creole. In this video, you are going to learn how to pronounce Creole vowels and their sound combinations. Now, here's the good news. Learning this is very easy because you can find most Creole vowel sounds in some English words. So this won't be totally unfamiliar to you. So now let us begin with the sounds A to UI. A sounds like A in apple. E sounds like E in sit. E sounds like E in feet. O sounds like O in oil. Now the Creole vowel O is a brief and firm sound. You see, in English, it is pronounced as O, but in Creole, it is pronounced as O. Again, it's a brief and firm sound. U sounds like U in zoo. E sounds like E in get. O sounds like O in or. Now the sound UI is a little unique. It sounds like the English word you and the English word we combined. So it is pronounced as you-we, but usually a bit quicker as UI. Okay, now let us begin with the sounds through un. Sounds like in skunk. Un sounds like un in fun. Sounds like in scent. N sounds just like saying the letter N. It's that simple. So it sounds like N. In sounds like in seen. On sounds like on in won't. N sounds like N in enter. Un sounds like un in moon. Now, you must take your time with the sounds on and on. That's because they hardly exist in English and you might easily confuse them. Okay, this sound right here is pronounced as on. It is not pronounced as un, but as on. And this sound right here is pronounced as on. To get a better idea of how it sounds like, think of the word horn in English. It basically sounds like the word horn in English, except without the H and the R. Again, it is pronounced as on. Now, let us begin with the remaining vowel sounds I through I sound just like saying I, like eyeball. Am sounds like am, like I am. Im sounds like im in seam. Oi sounds like oi in soy. Sounds like in hum. And that's it. Once you know these basic sounds, you are in great shape. In the next video, you are going to find out how to avoid common mistakes when pronouncing vowels in Haitian Creole. You can also find a written version of this lesson from howtocreole.com at the link in the video description. For more videos like this, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.